And over in St. Ann, farmers have been praying for rain, this amid a seemingly never-ending drought. As Anthony Lugg reports, they're calling for more help from the government.
Crops in Retreat and Cape Valley St. Ann are slowly drying up, and with each passing day, the farmers in these communities are worried.
Drought come down from this month, so it take out everything, burn out everything. I don't cut a pound.
They plant crops like lettuce, sweet corn and pepper, which require water. But of late, the precious commodity is scarce. As a result, the farmers are forced to fork out big bucks to save what's left of their crops.
I lost everything out of this plot of sweet potato last year. The drought was severe. I didn't take it home, not even a pound. The drought is still on, so I'm not going to make the same mistake this year. So I have already bought the irrigation hose for that side and this side. But I still need like some tanks and so to continue.
Sometimes I have to truck water to the farm to set up the drip the thing.
The country has been told to brace for warmer temperatures. It's also expected that the drought conditions could worsen before it gets better. This has left some farmers contemplating their next move.
I have to go wait for the rainfall because we don't have no water. No water at all. Me have the drum there. What look like lettuce at the drum me fill up. Wait them 1 year and it look like.
But we can't give up. Can't give up. If you give up, it matters worse.
Those who can afford to have been installing drip irrigation systems. The government recently announced that some $80 million was allocated to provide support to farmers affected by the drought conditions. But with the farmers in St. Ann seeking assistance to mitigate the drought conditions, we sought answers from the Rural Agricultural Development Agency, RADA. Delroy Luke is the parish agricultural manager.
We have been assisting farmers with drip irrigation kits, right? We have seen the need. And we will continue going forward to see how best we can facilitate the distribution of drip kits again going forward to assist these farmers. What we have been doing in the past year or two is that we have been assisting some farmers in the construction of some reservoirs, across the entire parish. Because what we want to do is to ensure that these farmers have a substantial amount of water to support their irrigation activities whenever the time is dry.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.